Hey friends, if mobile tethering internet keeps disconnecting on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, there are two sets of resolutions. One is from your mobile's end and the second one is from the computer's end. As for the solution from your mobile, you will have to open settings on your mobile. This is for Android phones. I don't know much about iPhones, but go to settings, then Wi-Fi and hotspot and tethering, and Wi-Fi hotspot. So there would be a toggle button to disable, turn off hotspot automatically, disable it. The next solution is to stop your computer from turning off Wi-Fi. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Now expand the list for network adapter drivers. Okay, and then right click on the drivers one by one, and then okay, we'll just have to check it for this one. Go to the power management tab and uncheck this box. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click on OK. Now the last option will be a network reset. When you perform network reset, it will flush the DNS, reset WinSock, reset TCP/IP and everything. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced network settings, select network reset, and then select reset now, and finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.